Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making these adorable flamingo topped soaps. I've poured these about a week ago with some melt and pour, and I used Mad Mica's Voodoo paint, which I'm going to use in the soap, with some titanium dioxide. I'm just going to have pink and white swirl. It is Nature's Garden and it's called Butt Naked, and it smells really good, and these are already fragranced with that. I'm doing 3.2%. Let's make some soap. And what this does, the sodium lactate, it helps make the bars harder and last longer. And since I've added it, they really do. So I use all my products and test everything myself. Okay, so I'm hoping this will be hot enough to melt all this down. Always avoid splashing. Can. This is very dangerous stuff, this lye stuff. I'm not joking around. So if you've never done this, if this gets on your skin, it will eat through your skin, it will burn. If it gets in your eyes, it can blind you. So just be extra careful when you're stirring this not to slop it out. Wear your eye protection and your gloves, definitely. And I've had to work out my whole water to lye ice cube ratio to where it still stays hot enough to melt these down. Gonna worry about what the top looks like. I know the bottom, the inside looks way better than the top. So I'm gonna just get these on here. Hopefully they will not fall in because they're so heavy. forgot the most important thing that I can possibly save this with, and that is this gorgeous Mad Mica Into the Mystic. It's amazing. The most gorgeous glitter that I've ever seen. I'm just gonna put it all over this bad boy. La, 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 la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. This is gonna look so much better tomorrow. Cross my fingers. I hope it does. This is not what I had in mind, but we'll see how it comes out, or we'll come back for the cut. 24 hours. 9 bars out of this, and I realized I made a lot of flamingos and I have enough to make another loaf. So I might do that since it actually turned out. I'm loving this. I'm just hoping it doesn't turn brown, and we're just gonna cross our fingers and hope that is the case. Thank you, baby. All right, I kind of stick my fingers in the side of it. I hate when I do that. Okay. And I'm rubbing the wire off with rubbing alcohol in between, because if you don't, it'll leave like a big old scratch mark on your soap, and I don't like that. And this smells really good. It's the Butt Naked. It's very beachy, coconut. It's very nice. Okay. And this is pretty hard. Okay. Oh, I'm loving this soap. And this glitter is Into the Mystic from Mad Mica. This is gorgeous. I'm just gonna say it. If anybody wants one of these soaps, they will be on my TikTok, or hit me up if you're local and I will bring it to your house. All right. Just one last look how gorgeous this is. Oh, I'm loving this. And I'm loving the flamingo, and some of this glitter will fall off. This looks so great. Awesome. Totally happy. All right, I just gotta say, I think these came out really awesome. They smell great, they look great. They didn't do anything weird like it said it might. The browning or the, like I said, it could still happen, but I have a good feeling it's not. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and get my Hemplicity stamp on here. This came out really nice. This is where we're gonna lose a lot of the glitter, which is fine. I put too much, so. All right, there you go. Gorgeous. La, 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 la. Beautiful. All right. Success. I'm loving this. We'll be back in a couple days and I'll show you if it turned brown or if it just stayed gorgeous. I'm going to cross my fingers and say it's going to stay beautiful. Came out amazing. I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I'm gonna come back in a few days and make sure it doesn't morph into brown like they said it might do. Hopefully not. They look gorgeous. I'm so happy with these, and they smell amazing. Hey, I've got you on my mind.